In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom header in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a custom header added to your current Shopify theme with your menu, logo, announcement bar, and icon set up and saved. First, log into your Shopify admin. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and open your store's dashboard. You should see the main admin navigation on the left and your store overview in the center. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Online Store in the left sidebar to expand it and select Themes. This opens the Themes page where you manage how your storefront looks. Find your current theme. At the top, you'll see the current theme section showing the theme that's live on your store. This is the one we'll edit so your changes appear on your storefront. Click Customize. And on the current theme card, select the Customize button. This opens the Shopify theme editor with a live preview on the right and your section settings on the left. All the header options we need will be here. In the editor, open the header section. Look at the left-hand panel for a section labeled header. Click it to open the header settings. You'll now see controls specific to the header area of your theme, and the preview will highlight the header at the top of the page. Click Add Block if available. In the header panel, look for an Add Block button. If you see it, click to open the list of header elements you can insert. This is where you'll add individual pieces of your custom header and configure them one by one. Add elements like menu, logo, announcement bar, and icons for cart or search. Start by adding a menu block. I guess choose the menu you want from the list, typically your main menu. Click to select it so the links appear in the header preview. Next, add a logo block. Upload your logo image if needed, or select an existing file, then confirm so it displays in the header. For the announcement bar, add the announcement block and type a short message, such as a shipping update or promotion. Keep it concise so it stays readable. Finally, add icons for cart and search if your theme offers those blocks. Enable the cart icon so customers can quickly access their cart, and enable the search icon so they can find products fast. As you add each element, watch the live preview on the right to confirm placement and visibility. Adjust settings for alignment, spacing, colors, and text. In the header settings, set the alignment to match your layout preference, such as logo on the left and menu to the right, or centered content. Increase or decrease spacing to control the padding around your header item so everything looks balanced and uncluttered. Choose colors that ensure good contrast and readability. Adjust the background color of the header and the text color for menus and the announcement message so links and text are easy to read. If you added an announcement, edit the text so it's clear and error-free, and make sure it fits on one line when possible. Use the preview to confirm that the menu labels, logo size, and icons are all legible and consistent with your brand. Small adjustments here will help your custom header look professional. Click Save. In the top right corner of the theme editor, select Save. Wait for the confirmation to ensure your changes are applied. As your storefront will now reflect the updated header with the elements you added and the settings you configured. At this point, your custom header in Shopify is set up and saved. The menu, logo, announcement bar, and icons you added are now active, using your chosen alignment, spacing, colors, and text. Your header changes are complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.